How's it going, everybody? Mark here at Diesel Power Products, and today we're going to be going over Blendor USA's Blendor replacement. So when you're behind the wheel of your truck and you're probably wondering, hey, my AC or my heat's not feeling like it should be, you can usually narrow it down to your factory HVAC system, which 9 times out of 10 comes down to your Blendors. Your factory Blendors are just a plastic piece with some hardware store weather stripping around it. These Blendors are a huge upgrade over stock, not only with the amount of extra foam that they're running compared to your factory unit that just has some weather stripping around the perimeter. This is a much thicker foam, but also very soft, allowing overall efficiency in your heating and cooling system to where it's not gonna cross leak to another zone. This is a huge improvement. One of the most failure-prone components on your factory Blendors is going to be the drive gear. Now that's also made of plastic. Over the years of operation, they've just been known to get brittle and fail and snap, which while you're driving down the road, if you want to change the zone of where your heat or AC is going to, and all of a sudden that's not working, 9 times out of 10 you can narrow it down to that plastic hunk of junk. The folks over at Blendor have completely changed things up, going with an all-metal construction, so you'll be very hard-pressed to be able to want to break these things. When you receive your Blendor USA kit, it'll have everything you need to replace your factory Blendors. It does not come with replacement Blendor motors. That is up to you guys whether you want to replace it or not. I personally recommend that you guys do so, just because getting that HVAC system out of that truck is a hassle, and you'll be thanking yourself in the long run if you ever need to go back there and replace those motors. Figuring out whether you have a dual zone or a single zone, pretty simple way. If your passenger has the capability of being able to adjust their temperature separate from the driver, then that's a dual zone system. If it's just one temperature control, then you have a single zone system. If you guys have any questions about Blendors or any of the products that are listed on our website, don't hesitate to give us a phone call, reach out to us on our website, shoot us an email, reach out on the socials. We're here to help.